starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17.50 an hour. This is going to be Starbucks going just under 7 miles.
Or Debbie, awesome. I'll see you up here.
Thank you.
Have a great one. Thank you.
Total for that ended up being $7 and change, which I guess makes it worth it, just barely. And we've got the next order right away. This is McDonald's going 5.5 miles.
There you go. Have a nice day.
You too, thank you. This one is going like right across the street. I'm not sure where. Here? Yes, it is there. This hotel is like so tucked away. I didn't even know it was here. For room 217.
Okay. It's up the stairs, down this first hallway here.
Okay, thank you. Silly me for thinking that I could just leave it there once I told them the room number. Who would have thought? No tip on that one. Total ended up being like $3 and change. So bad. And we got the next order right away. We're going back to McDonald's. This one is going 1.5 miles, so be prepared for another no tipper. Okay, I guess I was wrong technically. There's a 50-cent tip on that one. Thank you so much. Total ended up being $3 and change as well. Got the next order right away. This is gonna be Starbucks going 4 miles. Also, are there any flower experts? What kind of flower was that? I've never seen anything look like that before. Morning. Gotta pick up for Sage. Oh, thank you. $1 tip. Let's go. Total ended up being $4. Just got the next order. This is Mr. Maple Donuts going 6 miles. Thank you.
I'm gonna get a lot.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Finally a good order. Total for that one ended up being $10. Next up, we've got a Starbucks going 3.5 miles. Thank you. Hello. For Zechariah. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Total for that was $4. Man, I am getting spoiled today. Just got the next order. This is Carl's Jr. going 7 miles. Thank you. Hand it to me. Oh boy.
You recording?
Yeah.
You record all your dashes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Much. Yeah.
Cool.
Yep. $0 tip. Total ended up being $5 for that one. Just got the next order. We've got a Victorico's going 4.5 miles. Thank you. All right, that was ready for me. I like that. And that is an essay. I'm not gonna read that. Total for that one was $8 and change. Next order up, we've got a Black Rock coffee going 1.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was $6. Just got the next order. We're going to Wendy's, my favorite. This one's gonna be going 2.5 miles.
Give me one moment, please.
Is it only one drink? Okay. It's only one combo meal, right? And the pull-aparts?
Yes,
Yeah? Okay.
Okay, here. Maybe you can press confirm and that's it.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, on my end, it's listing each of the items as a combo meal. So like breakfast baconator combo meal, seasoned potatoes combo meal. So I wasn't sure if it was 3 combo meals or 1. There you are.
Hi.
Got it.
Thank you.
Have a good day. I was just putting her food down to leave as she opened the door. Total for that one was $8 and change. And we got the next order right away. This one is a UPS pickup. Hello. So this is a DoorDash. I'm not really sure what you need.
Is it right up here? Do you need a receipt?
Probably. And there was a $1 tip. Wahoo! Total ended up being $7. Finally got the next order. This is crumble cookies going 4 miles. Thank you, you too. Looks like it's somebody's birthday. Happy birthday. Hello. Here you are. I didn't get a name, it just said Mill Plain Electric.
Oh, happy. Well, how dare it down, so we're good.
Yep.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Total for that was $6. We got the next order right away. This is Starbucks going 4.5 miles.
There you go.
Thank you. Total for that order was $9. Okay, that was a good one. Next up, we've got El Jefe Birria and Tacos going 7 miles. Thank you. There you are. Thank you. Have a good day. 0 tip, by the way. Total ended up being $5 and change. Just got the next order. This is Muchas Gracias going 2 miles. Hello. For Brock?
Brock?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Total for that was $4 and change. Man, I am just getting rich. Just got the next order. This is Popeyes going just under 2 miles.
Thank you so much. Have a good one.
You too. Hi. Hi.
Turn me.
What?
Turn me around.
Turn you around?
Yeah.
How do I do that?
It says car. What?
This?
Listen. What? Get out. I'll move it.
Okay, you'll move it.
Sorry.
You're all good.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. That was cute. That doesn't make up for the no tip, by the way. I'm done, dude. I'm so over it. We're getting out of here. I didn't even see how much it was exactly. I just saw that it was a no tip. We're calling it here. Current time is 10:33. Total, we are at 97. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.